Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a Roblox bug. To know how to fix or how to solve a Roblox bug, you should just go to settings. After that, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will go to this window of Roblox. And when you'll find this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, you will enter to clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then you can go to Play Store, you will search about Roblox, and then you can update your application on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.